What's up guys, Mantis 121 here, and today I got an unboxing right here. So, let's see what's inside. Alright, so I'm here with my sisters too. So, let's open this. Alright, so we get this box from Revive. Alright, so we got a note. Enjoy the new deck. Right here. From Andy. Oh wait, no, it's Ryan something. Ryan. Alright, so first of all, we got that Jessup grip tape. We got a 7.75 orange Revive deck. So I will be right back. I'm gonna apply the grip. So I'm done with the grip tape. So yeah, let's set this up. So first of all, I need my old skateboard. Can you go get it, please? Because I need the parts from that. It's outside. Outside. So I used to skate silvers until this happened. It broke. So now I'm using different skate trucks for what's it called? Hardware. I use any kind of hardware. So let me just poke the holes in. Where is it? Alright, so guys, don't judge me too hard because this is my first setup. No. Alright, so I was gonna get the what's it called? The tie-dye one because it looked sick, but it was all sold out. Like there was no more, so I couldn't get it, which kind of sucked. But you know. The grip wasn't too bad. It could have been worse, but you know. Alright, so it's just Alright, so since I'm too lazy, I'm just gonna take the parts. Leave it there. I'm pretty excited because this is my first setup. So, it'll be nice. I'm glad my sister's here to help me out. I just ordered Shorty hardware because this one's getting kind of rusty and I need new hardware to help me out, you know. Oh my god. So the bearings were Bones Red and the wheels were Spitfires. The trucks are Elevate. Okay. Let's get the other side. I hope this deck lasts me a while, cause you know. Oh, and I forgot to add the stickers. So. So I gotta put these foil stickers soon. I've always wanted a revive board, and now that I have it, I'm so happy. Whoops. And one more bolt, and we gotta put it on the board. Stick it out. Okay, so this is my old deck. Next time I order another board, I'm gonna get an 8 probably. First I gotta see the 7.5. 7.75, I mean. So, which is the nose and which is the tail. I gotta make sure I don't put the trucks backwards. And I'm also getting new bearings and new trucks. I always have this white one up front, so I don't know which one's the nose. Back. I needed to take a call, so let's just go. So. let's just put these on. I almost put them backwards. Where's the... I might get Thunder trucks or Crux, depending on which one's better. I'll see which one I get, guys. Cause, you know, silvers were good, but then they just had a break. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna do the kickflip test, and yeah. Okay. Damn it, these little bolts. I also ordered a skate tool, so I wouldn't have to be using my, what's it called, my hands and stuff like that. Like, I wouldn't be carrying all this around. So hard to put on. Right there. Just put this on. Okay. 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 Oh no, I'm running out of battery. Can you get me the other battery for this? It's like over there somewhere. Sorry guys, I'm like running out of battery for the thingamajigger. Whoa. Okay, so I'm glad I have sisters now. There we go. Whoa. He's a tough guy, ain't he? I also got a huge air bubble here, but when I skate, it'll get, I'll step on it and it doesn't really matter. So, okay, we're done with enough. Okay. Wow. Alright. Oh my god. No. Alright, so it's good. That's the first truck on, finally. Finally. And second truck on. Alright. Where's the other bolts?
I think they're here.
I mean, yeah, these. I was very impatient for this board. I was really impatient. Now that it's here, I'm happy.
Yeah, you were in there.
Alright, so let's do this. Give me the thingamajig. Okay. Oh my goodness. You can't handle the machine. Is it in there?
No, it's like
Okay.
here.
Give me. Oh my goodness.
Here's the other bolt.
I'll put it on mine. Just leave it there, please. Alright guys, the benefits of having sisters. Okay. One more. We're done. Okay. I'm sure I got rid of that air bubble. Okay. I think I'm done. Alright, so all I need is the stickers. So, the sticker. I'm gonna ask my sisters. Steffi! Steffi! Where should I put the stickers? What do you think?
But I think you should put them like right here, so they would like not bother like the cool revive sign.
We'll put it on. We'll put it right here. No.
See, don't they look cool?
Oh yeah. We'll put the other one backwards. I hope we got 3 stickers. We just got 2. Oh well. I'll shoot this off gently. I never thought putting a sticker was this hard. Oh no. Yep. Okay, there we go. Whoops, these all messed up, but
That's a cool one.
okay. There we go. So we gotta go outside and do the kickflip test. So here's the setup, guys. Setup. And yeah, we'll meet you outside, guys. It's time for the kickflip test. First try. So let's do this. Do this. Right. There we go. First try. Alright, so if you like this, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. See ya.